Welcome to the AI-Com training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add and manage products to your store. Go to the left menu and click on the product. Here you can see all of your product-related settings. In the All Products section, you can add new products or remove and edit existing products. You can add a product by clicking on the Add Product button and adding all required details, and your product will be listed on your store. You can also manage your stock via Inventory section. You can also create a category for your store if you want. You can also create an attribute to your store. You can also add brands to your store. You can also add coupons to your store. Thanks for watching the video.